Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Tanner in South Carolina on this Galaxy DX 94 HP. Tanner, we got this Joker Truckerized for you. Toshiba regulator upgrade, tune alignment, all my audio and power mods, unlock the clarifier, high cut filter on the back, as well as an amp switch. Let's start with the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Let me turn the amp on back here. Send about 3 watts all the way down, so if you decide to run like a 6 or 8 pill, you got full adjustability. 30 all the way up, which is very safe for just the radio. Show you average power swing. Hello, 70 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, 165 peak. All right, Tanner, we'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. Happy Thanksgiving from Truck at truckcvsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.